My name is Jimesh Dungrani. You can call me Jim. And I work in Elastostar Rubber Corporation as an industrial application engineer. Actually, Elastostar does many type of services in our rubber industries, and we manufacture custom rubber gaskets and rubber profiles. And we are manufacturing generally silicone extrusion profiles and silicone O-rings. And apart from that, we are capable of manufacturing of rubber molded parts as well. And we have wide variety of our client sales, which is including aerospace industries, food industries, automobile industries, and in other sectors as well. So we are always facing a very challenging requirement for the complex designing. So initially we used to use traditional hand tooling machines to cut rubber profiles and gaskets, but it was not pretty good quality. So we always looking for some kind of solutions, and we were working on finding the solution for water jet cutting. And Brian came over to meet us, and he explained us what is the water jet and everything, and it pretty worked out well. And then we came across with the FlexJet, and we found a very good supplier and pretty good service with the FlexJet. Before that, we used to outsource the tooling equipment, but after that water jet cutting machine, we manufacturing tools ourselves, which is quite expedite for us because we don't need to rely on an outsourced company for the toolings. So whenever customer demand for the custom profiles is, we can manufacturing and cut the die tools in-house and extrude the profile as soon as possible for us. So we provide customer very expedite services as well because of the water jet cutting machine of FlexJet. FlexJet improved our production capacity very soon because of we have in-house tooling capacity right now. So we can manufacturing very precise tooling as we require, and we do not go with the back and forth for tooling designing. So it improved our quality of production as well. I think FlexJet is a very good company, and their support is very excellent for us. Each and every team department work for us very well, and whenever we have an issue, they solve our problems very soon. If the people want to reach out to Elastostar, they can simply visit Elastostar Rubber Corporation website, or they can email us or contact us on our phone, or they are most welcome to personally visit us as well. We are located at Columbus, Ohio, so we are open for anyone.